addicts, how you guys doing? Quick discussion here, guys. I just want to get your opinion, so I really need you guys to comment below and share your opinion after this short review I'm gonna do here. Okay, basically is what should we go with, Binance or Hitbtc? Now, both have excellent in terms of speed and getting your orders filled and stuff like that. They're both very similar. They both have an affiliate link of up to 50% in commissions. And they both work the way we want things to work when it comes to cryptocurrency. Now, we need to remind ourselves what cryptocurrency is about and really what's going on in the market, okay? So there is a lot of things happening, there's a lot of feud, but there's also a lot of truth coming out, okay? Now, one of the things I want to bring us up here is Binance. Like I said before, I looked at it. I like the way we use it. I like the way we place the orders and they automatically show straight away on the table there. So that's excellent. But still, the way it's sold is, you're taking bits, you're taking fractions of the coins that I hold and then sell or buy, to try and fulfill the order, that's the thing I don't like. That's the thing I hate about Poloniex. I put in one price and I get things for the other. Really don't like those approaches. So, I'm moving to one of those, either Binance or Hitbtc or even both. Because I obviously like both, but is things that happening right now with regulators and who gets what and who's going to lead what, okay? So, first thing we need to do is in Binance, is one of the things we're going to see in the Binance is how Binance looking forward to regulate the ICOs, okay?
Binance Lab is the pre-ICO incubator fund. And then that will naturally grow into Binance Launchpad, which is the platform where you do a public sale. For public sales, we really don't like big ICOs. So if you want to raise $100 million, we are probably not going to do that project for you. We want projects to be small. We want, no matter how grand or how famous your team is, we want a project to be between $5 to $20 million. I think that's way more than enough money that most startups need. And why we do that? We want you to leave value on the table so that there's room to grow in later. We've seen that many of the, I think I published the article 2-3 months ago about, on Steemit saying I don't like big ICOs. And then the Tether problem, other problems happened afterwards. So, but those are the problems that we would like to avoid. We don't want projects to realize their full value at ICO, because what happens then, once you get on the exchange, the full value is already being realized. People are not going to buy it anymore. The price is going to drop, and we don't like that. It's not, technically speaking, it's not our problem. It's the investors' decision to buy or sell, but we don't like projects that don't perform well on our platform. So, so we like small ICOs. And once you raise that amount of money, which is plenty for most projects, we don't release that funds to the projects right away. So this is the same case for Gifto and for Bread, two of the projects that went through the ICO on our platform. So far, they only got 30% of the funds they raised. We hold the rest 70%.
Which I don't think that's fair, because they intend to keep 70% of the investors' money before they move it to the company to protect us. Now, we need to understand that when you decide to make an investment, either be an ICO or an idea, that's basically what is initial coin offerings. It's just an idea, guys. It never means it's going to become anything. So, but think about Bitcoin, guys. Okay, so Bitcoin, I was one of the guys who got the first email from Bitcoin in 2008, 10,000 Bitcoin for $50. I didn't believe, nobody did, because nobody bought it in 2008. People only started buying Bitcoin in 2009. Now, guys, here's the thing. Holding this money back, the companies could simply turn back to you and say, we couldn't achieve our targets because, Binance holded the funds back. They didn't give all the money from the investors. So I think Binance is kind of stepping a little bit too far out of the idea of cryptocurrency. Okay, they're great. I like the website. Approvals were quick and things work. Okay, so I do like the way it looks, but they're pretty much because of what's going on in China, and I do believe China eventually will come back. Okay, China will come back. Probably they even create their own coin or not. We'll wait to see, but definitely they will realize that the way for China to get the situation out of the situation that they are in is to actually regulate and get into cryptocurrency. But letting exchanges regulate us, guys, I don't think this is the right thing to do. And in fact, Binance saying, and I do agree, and to a point that people are not ready to stand for themselves. But we need to remind ourselves what this is about, okay, guys, what cryptocurrency is about, which is basically if we go to another event that took place over this weekend, okay, so a little delay, there goes, over this weekend, we need to see here what happened when...
Bring down Bitcoin. What I've noticed with what's going on right now is there's a lot of status coming into this market right now.
Mm-hmm.
Show of hands, who here is from the CIA? I saw your hand go up. That's all right. You're going to be out of a job soon.
Yeah.
For those people who don't know what this is all about, this is not about making money. Money is fine. Mm-hmm. Actually, it's almost better when you don't have a lot of money. I've made millions, I'm not bragging at all, and lost millions so many times I can't even keep track. The happier times I've had is actually when I didn't have a lot, actually. So this is not about money. For anyone here who's not sure what's going on, this is about getting rid of central banks and governments.
Yes! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
It's going better than I thought. I thought I had to explain some things here. All right.
So guys, in spite of what you just seen, what you just witnessed, all the links to these videos, to these small shorts I just used are below this video. You guys can check this out, okay? Now, carrying on is the Binance versus Hitbtc, guys. I really like Hitbtc much more than Binance because, guys, listen, there's a lot of plus. Once is, you know, the company is registered in Europe, is run from Chicago. But, you know, they also have a lot of features. So, like I said, the fees, in terms of fees, is exactly the same as Binance. You also have an affiliate link as well, just like Binance. But they don't put in these limitations. They actually going on a way that cryptocurrencies, just like, you know, the dollar vigilant just said. And as you see, he's got a lot of support, a lot of people screaming, a lot of people showing the positive towards it. So something you didn't see in an event, on a blockchain event in China, which is box mining. You know, Mike's been uploading these videos. We're very thankful for Mike uploading these videos because it keeps us in the loop and allows us to see and analyze the data that's been released and show the people, guys, exactly what's going on. Now, Hitbtc, guys, again, free to join. You guys just join in. Affiliate links must be given. And another things I like is the limits and the scale. So the scale option here allows me to sell my coins all at once. Either fulfill me the order I want to sell it for, or you don't. Okay, unlike Poloniex or Bittrex, you know, they kind of, and even Binance, they take small portions of your coin and then they sell it either one number above or one number below, and they think that's fine. It's not fine, guys. It's my property and I want to sell it all at once, or I don't want to sell it at all. I just keep it, okay? So this is one of the features in Hitbtc that I absolutely love. And guys, I think you should really, I'm not putting Binance out of the equation because they've only been around for 6 months. And obviously, guys, they can add some of these features moving forwards, but I don't really agree with them trying to regulate the ICOs. In fact, guys, it's up to you, up to us as people. If you want to invest in ICO, do your research, ask questions, try and get some reply from the developers, from the people behind it. If you can, then pretty much you start to get your answers that you're probably not making a good decision, okay? So, guys, comment, rate, and subscribe. Check the links below this video. Post your comments below what you think about what you just saw. And again, all the links to the videos I just showed you are below this video. Next video, we'll be talking a little bit more about the mining, what's going on in China, and the new coin as well. So as well, guys, I have a lot of stuff I want to share with you there, and I would like to get your input as well by you guys participating. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm Nunes from Wells Express. Bye bye for now. Please check the links below this video and hit the like button. Bye bye.